Assalamualaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the Maths lecture 11 of class 3. We have to solve this question 5 and 6 of page number 12. So if you look at the heading, it says write the fraction of each shape is shaded. Write your answer in the circle. The first one here is written. We can get help from that. Like it has 5 sections and 2 of them are colored. So for the total parts, 5 as a denominator, and for the colored or shaded parts, we have to write 2 over 5. So this shape has 1 2 3 4 5 6, overall 6 parts, and 3 of them are shaded, so 3 over 6, 1 2 3 4 4 and 4 8, total 8 parts, and 1 2 3 4 5, 5 of them are colored, so 5 over 8 is the fraction. Now this shape here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 of the total parts, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 of them are colored, so 10 over 6, and 4 parts here, and 3 of them are colored, 3 over 4, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, overall 9 parts, and 4 of them are colored. Okay, shade the given fractions. It says 2 over 3. On the above part we had to write the fractions, and now we have to shade the parts. Only 2 of these sections will be colored, and it has 4 parts, and 3 of them will be shaded or colored. You guys have colors on you, so color the shapes. 9 of them will be colored, shaded. 6 7 8 and 9, these parts will be shaded. 3 of them will be shaded, and 4 1 2 3 4, these parts will be shaded. For that, 1 2 3 4 and 5 of them will be shaded. That was your today's homework assignment. Do it accordingly in neat handwriting, and until next video, Allah Hafiz.